Welcome to the Import View overview. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to access the Import View, how the window is structured, and a few important rules to know before importing your data. To open the Import View, go to the main menu, select Help, then Administration, and choose Administrator. From there, click the Import Data tab. The view will always start on the Customer tab. The Import View is divided into 4 panels, separated by blue sash dividers. You can resize each area by dragging these dividers. Each panel serves a unique purpose during the import process. The left panel contains all record types, displayed as tabs across the top. Below the tabs, you'll see the liminal records. These are temporary records created during the pairing process. The Save and Erase icons help you commit or clear records. Important, switching tabs resets everything in the view. The top section of the right panel is where you load and review your import file. You can search inside the file, jump to a specific row, and adjust the skip lines value. You want to skip any lines above the column headers. You can remove unwanted rows and use the refresh icon to restore the file to its original state. These tools help clean up your data before pairing. The bottom section is where pairing happens. This is where you match your import file's columns to correct fields. Click Create Records to generate liminal records in the left panel. If the file contains inconsistent data, adjust pairing or remove non-conforming rows. It's important to import in order. Always begin with the leftmost tab, Customers, and move to the right. Some record types depend on others. For example, invoices require customers, and transactions require vendors, finance accounts and chart of accounts. Before importing, make sure your file's first line contains column headers. If your file includes comments or metadata above the headers, increase skip lines or clean the file in a spreadsheet first. Correct reads structured data only. One final reminder, switching between import tabs clears all pairing and resets the view. Make sure you complete one import type before moving to the next. Now that you understand the layout and rules of the import view, you're ready to dive into the 6 data migration tutorials. Each walkthrough explains the pairing logic, file requirements, and record creation process for each import type. Thank you for watching. To begin your data migration, please proceed to the next video.